Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, we are at the car wash today to start the detailing of the new car, and the first thing we are going to do is make sure we take the aerial off of the car. So right here, you want to make sure you unscrew that, take the antenna off and get that in, and then we'll get the car through the car wash. Yeah, whatever the cheapest one is with the underbody. Okay. So we've gotten through the car wash, and now we're going to go ahead and hit it with the vacuum. The important parts on the smart cars, especially when they haven't been cleaned for a long time, is up around the back doors. They can collect a lot of debris up in this area. And then under the front, under the bonnet, they can collect a lot of debris back in this area here in the corner, and as well back in the other corner. So you want to make sure that they don't have a lot of debris back in there, like leaves or things like that. It's also a good idea on a new smart car to take the air conditioner or air intake apart and clean any debris out that might be in the drains in the bottom of that. And to do that, you take that front off all the way across there. We'll cover that probably in a video later. So I picked up this dog hair removal brush and tested it out. It seems to work okay, but it doesn't get everything perfectly. As you can see here, from right here over, I've wiped that area with it. And the idea is that you wipe it like this, and it's supposed to help get the dog hair out, or pet hair in general. And you can see it does make a little pile of it and make it better, but it's still not perfect. So I'll link to one of these in Amazon. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and vacuum this really well, use this brush, and then take it home with another vacuum that I have that has an actual roller on it, a brush roll, and see how that does. Eventually, I plan on taking all this carpet out and actually cleaning it thoroughly, like out in my driveway. And last thing we're going to do is open up the back end and lift out this plate. We're missing the little pin that goes there, so I'll have to get one of those ordered. But we'll open this up and use the vacuum and the compressed air at the car wash to try to clean the engine off as best we can and get all the dust off so it's ready for the work that we need. So once we got under the back here, we go ahead and vacuum everything off, clean all the cracks and crevices that we can. Then go ahead and get this little air wand right here. Use it to blow everything off that you can, especially the things you're going to work on, like the air filter and that area, the intake. Get that all cleaned up. Along where the injectors are, that's always a good place that debris collects. And I always like to pay special attention to the alternator because it has some little air cooling vents on it, and it also has a little heat sink in the back of it. Want to make sure that's all blown off. I think that in the long run would make that last longer. So we'll go ahead and finish this cleaned up and get it home and start on the next parts of the project. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.